When you select the back panel, under material section here, you'll be able to see back panel core material, and you can inherit this property firstly from carcass, in which case whatever you have put the carcass core material as 16 mm BWR ply for example, then the back panel material will also be the same. If you want the back panel to be of a specifically different material, you can select self, and this opens your carousel where you can select the type of material that you want. Let's say I want to have in the back panel a 13 mm BWR material, then you can see this is now a 13 mm BWR material. The third option is if you link the core material to a back panel core material, in which case you have to go into admin. On the hardware section in your catalog, you will have your ply section. Here in any of these materials, let's say 18 mm BWR I can go into the edit SKU properties and I have linked SKU. Here I can link a SKU by selecting hardware, ply. Let's say I'm linking a BWR material here and 13 mm BWR. You can see 13 mm BWR here, and you can select the type as back panel core material and update this SKU. Now every time this particular material is used in your core material here, then it will by default get linked to the 13 mm BWR ply that is linked to this particular core material. The finished thickness of the back panel is equal to thickness of the core material that you are using plus thickness of the internal and the external finish that you are adding over the back panel. You can also bulk select all the SKUs of a group and go into bulk action, bulk edit SKU structure. Once you confirm your selection, you can proceed to editing, and here go into the panel section and add a panel. In this panel name, select carcass back panel. Once you have selected the same, you can go into your material section here where core panel SKU ID needs to be selected. So you can select whatever core material you want for that particular back panel. So add SKU here and you can select the category which is ply, and from here whichever subcategory you want from your SKU, you can select the same. You can see I'm selecting a particular SKU here and you can submit it. And then once you proceed to confirmation, you will be shown what changes you are making and you can publish change and exit. After that, whatever cabinets are part of the bulk edit that you have just done will have the back panel material as that particular core material.